So recently I got hired as a junior programmer at indie studio called Hyperstrange, and we are working on the game called Elderborn. So as the title of the video suggests, you probably are wondering how I got to where I am right now, and to explain that we have to move a bit to the past. So 5 years ago I first started programming. It was at my second grade of middle school, and the reason why I got into programming was because we had a project which is mandatory in order to finish the school in Poland, and our project theme was cryptography. And for those who don't know, cryptography is basically a method to protect your communication by use of some code. So for example, there's a scissor code where you basically shift each letter by X amount places, and the X is the key of the code. So my task in that project was to make a simple program that would do that, and that's how my passion for programming started. After the middle school, I started looking for the high school, and my friend told me that there is a school where they teach you how to make games. And I thought to myself, why not? I love playing games, so I might as well make them. So I went there, and actually me and other kids were first pupils there because the school was just made. So it was new, and we were like the test rabbits there. I knew that it was a deep dive, but I couldn't imagine myself going to school that is not related with programming. So for 3 years they have been teaching me how to make games, and where I say how to make games, I mean they taught me Unity, Blender, movie theory, game design, modeling, texturing, and sculpting, and of course programming. The things that they taught me there was not advanced at all. Actually, it was quite basic stuff for beginners, but it encouraged me to learn by myself. So after school, I was always trying to improve myself at home to learn something more advanced. And that's how I got better and better from day to day. And after I graduated, which was 2 months ago, I found a post on the page called Skillshot. And for those who don't know what is Skillshot, basically it's a website in Poland where game developers post the job offers, and those offers are strictly related to game development, which is very cool. Anyway, I found a post where it was written that they are looking for a junior programmer who knows Unity. So I applied there, sent them my CV and personal projects, and I waited. So after one day, I think, if I remembered correctly, I got a response where they replied that they are interested in me and they love the pigeon. And yeah, the pigeon is just one of my games I made. But more about it in future videos. So we arranged the meeting, and the rest is history, guys. So that's how I got my first job in the gaming industry. So thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments. Anyway, have a nice day and see you in the next one, guys. Goodbye. And actually, guys, I almost forgot. So if you want to support the game, you can check out it on the Steam. So I will leave the link in the description, and the game is still in early access, but you can support it by buying it, and you can buy it 25% off right now because there's a Steam summer sale. And for your information, this is not an advertisement. It is an advertisement, but I don't get any profit from it. It's truly from my heart, because I think that this game deserves more attention. So thank you guys for watching, and have a nice day. Bye bye.